have trust on you. Whatever I am perfect. I am my original copy. Fine. So when you believe in yourself that I am okay, so now we will take on our journey. Okay. Moving ahead. The next thing is, see, this is the struggles that we have in our life. We want to take care of everything. We want to take care of our parents. We want to take care of our grandparents. We want to take care of our siblings. We want to take care of that neighborhood boy and a girl. We want to take care of my career. I want to have a lot of money. If I do not have money, I want to have loans. So there are n number of things which we are struggling to have in our one life. Why? Because we all want to be like this Ambani family. Okay. But is it possible to become exactly like them? Can you become Mrs. Ambani immediately as such without doing anything? Can you become like their daughter or son without doing anything? Can there be a magic wand to change your life situations? Yes, anyone have a try? Yes. What happens is every person who is born on this earth has his own bundle of burdens, challenges, difficulties. Okay? So do not think that if some problem comes in front of you, oh my God, my life is screwed up. No, everybody on this earth has got a screwed up life only, right? Some people solve it immediately. Some people solve it in a 5 to 10 years time. Some people are able to solve it in 50 years time. Some people are not at all able to solve those problems. Okay, so this is a normal life. We will have something to face every then and now. Okay, so first thing is, I am a unique person. There is no one like me. Second thing, in my life, there will be difficulties. There will be challenges and issues which will come. Okay. So now, what to do? If I ask you, how is your life? How will you define it? Oh, it is very confusing. I don't know anything about it. It is full of problems. I cannot figure it out. I'm very happy. Can you put in the chat box? How do you define your life? Good, bad, worst? How will you? Or you can unmute yourself and speak out. How do you find your life? Thank you for the response. Yes. Okay. So Sneha says, my life is good. Prima finds her life is good and cool. Padmanabha says, my life is fair. Hajra's life is good. Hebel Abraham's life is uncertain. Okay, anyone else? It's a roller coaster of emotions, happy, sadness, ups and downs. Superb. So you know these all things are there. Apurv says, my life is confusing. Joel says, my life is okish. Okay, so sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Natasha, right? Natasha's life is awesome and blessed, balanced, excellent, good, mixture of everything. Okay, fine. So super. So you people are analyzing the reason situations that happened in your life, or you are thinking about some things that happened 5 years ago and commenting on your life, right? But you do not know what is going to happen in your life tomorrow or in a year's time. Might be more problems are coming, might be wonderful opportunities are coming up. Okay, so there is still time to change your opinion about your life. Okay, thank you everybody for responding. So, my next question is your life full of stress or lacking stress? Is your life stress free or stressful? Let's see. Okay, so now I'll tell you one little story. Science students, ready for that? Okay, so this is a story about a woodcutter and an eagle. Okay, this woodcutter was in the forest. He was cutting down some trees. And what happened is, after he finished his work, he was going out of the forest. On the way out of the forest, he saw one eagle trapped in a net. He looked around to see if somebody was there. He had a little bit of concern. He wanted to save this eagle, let it fly away. Okay, so he used his axe, cut down the net, and the eagle came out. The eagle did not fly away immediately. The eagle sat at his feet. Okay, for 1 to 2 minutes, the eagle sat there, might be with a feeling of gratitude and thanksgiving. And then the eagle looked at the woodcutter and then flew away. Woodcutter was very happy to see that. Now, Woodcutter went back to his home. After some time, he had to visit the forest again to get some more woods. He had his food, and then, after finishing off his work, he took some break. He had his food, and then he was looking around to drink some water. Okay, so he had bought a bottle. He searched around, where did it go? Then suddenly what happened is a bird came, took up the bottle and flew away. The woodcutter was surprised. If the birds come down, they usually take up something to eat. This is picking up my bottle of water. So the woodcutter stared at the bird. The bird went and sat upon a tree. The woodcutter was very annoyed. What is this bird up to? So he tried to wave his hand, throw some stone, but this bird was not dropping the bottle. It was looking down at the woodcutter and staring back. The woodcutter then decided, I will have to climb up this tree, scare that eagle so that the bottle falls down. What happened? The woodcutter tried to climb up. While he was trying up, he realized, oh, this is the eagle. And then he realized, oh, yes, this is the same eagle that I had saved. Why is it being so cruel to me? What does it want to do with a bottle of water? Is it angry on me for saving his life? He could not understand. He was getting more and more furious. As he reached near the eagle and lifted up his hand to give one slap, the eagle dropped the bottle. Okay? When he looked at the bottle was lying on the floor or the ground, and there was one snake, one big snake. Okay, so the eagle showed it to him. What did it show? It showed the snake. The reason was the snake was sitting beside this woodcutter and was about to bite him when this eagle took the bottle and flew away so that it could save the woodcutter from that place. The bird cannot speak, run away from here, there is a problem behind you. So the woodcutter understood and he slowly climbed down. The eagle flew away, but then he realized not every problem is bad. Not every issue in our life is bad. So every difficulty that knocks at my life that I have to face is not a big issue. It might lift me up to a better place. It might help me to mature. It might help me to become happy.